Good morning and welcome to the workboat show at Älvsjö. I work for Peab and the Marine Department. We're here presenting our latest boats, and this is the latest one. And we've invested in OXE engines, and I will take you on a tour and show you around. One of the equipment which makes the OXE engines working perfect is the steering components, which is electric hydraulics. So this joystick makes it possible to maneuver in narrow places, channels and small harbors. On Peab Marin, we don't just work on the water, we work under the water as well. We have a sea survey department with a Norbit and LIDAR function, which is bottom scanning, inspection and positioning of wrecks or pipes or cables. They also have underwater drone. We have divers who can do construction work below the water, welding, cutting, and all sorts of construction works. So we constructed the boat as a flat bottom, which will allow us to load about 6 tons on deck. We will have stability for using the crane, and we will have stability during our voyages. We have a ramp, which is wide, to help us loading small excavators or other equipment that we need. Yeah, so I have to show you this great detail. We have a very precise echo sounder. Shows us great visibilities of bottoms, position of cables, position of wrecks. It's a very helpful utility in the construction sites. So as you can see, the cabin is very low. The masts and antennas are foldable, and this is to make it possible for us to go under any bridges, especially in Stockholm, where you have a lot of bridges. And you who lives or visits Stockholm will be able to see this boat in very specific places where we think that nothing is possible. But with this one, we can make it. Inside, we have increased the working environment with less vibration and less noise by putting the engines back in the aft of the boat. We had a similar boat before where the engines were inboard engines inside the cabin. We had a diesel hydraulic power unit outside, just outside the cabin, which was very noisy. So inside we have put air-lifted seats, we have put the AC unit, we have cameras for overview, and all this to increase the working environment for the crew on board. So here on the aft deck, we have a genset to power our hydraulic units and all 220 outlets inside the cabin. We also have installed for the first time outboard engines, diesel power OXE engines, which is the first time on a big working boat like this, and we're very proud to be the first ones. They have so much torque in these engines, which gives us the possibility to maneuver this boat and barges, and this would not be possible with the gasoline engines because their torque and their gearboxes would not be able to handle the power and stresses from shifting gears on this size of vessel. On Peab as a construction company, we don't want too much downtime. With the outboard engines, if there is a problem, we could lift it off and put a new back in to minimize the stop. Compared to an inboard engine, if that one would be broken and need to be changed out, it would take a much longer time. Big difference as well from the gasoline engines. The diesel engines are much more fuel efficient, and we have also the possibility to use the HVO. All in all, with all this that I just told you, I feel very excited to start using this platform as soon as possible.